Good morning, Dumelang. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Pretty. If you're new, welcome. If you guys have been here for a while, Dumelang guys, welcome back. Today is Saturday. I'm continuing Vlogmas day 5. Yeah, so Ria, checkers, it's so hot. It's around 8, but the sun is out. We are dying, we're burning. I was trying to get my steps in, but I don't think we're gonna make it, Sada. I think we're gonna post somewhere on the shade and request because it is so hot. I'm still taking my walks, but lately I've been lazy, I don't want to lie. Marara, check us right now, getting my steps in. And then later on, my friend Resijo is coming with her siblings and her daughter and her friend, and I'm hosting them. So that's why I get checkers. I'm trying to get some stuff that we need so that I can be a good host. I'm so excited, guys. I haven't hosted people in a while, so this is exciting. They came yesterday, but they slept over at her friend's house. So today they're gonna come over and kind of planned a sort of like a games night. I'll see, because my budget I don't know if I'll get games because games are very expensive. If not, we'll play games on our phones as long as we are together. But yeah, let's go to checkers if we make it. If we make it walking, because I'm suffering. Everyone in our home have a voice because we all have a throat infection, so I'm going to get something for our throat as well, and then yeah, get some food, see if we can get games, and then come back home. So that's what we're doing today. We're gonna cook together, and then yeah, we're gonna cook together and then host Resijo and her family. It's gonna be exciting. I'm excited to see her. I haven't seen her since June, July, I think. So it's exciting. I'm hosting. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys when we come back, and then I'll show you what we got. So let's go. Let's go to Checkers. Request. I'm with Siamo, guys.
Hello.
I'm with Siamo. Yeah, let's go to Checkers.
Let's take this overboard now.
Let's take this. Ludo. Okay, I've been looking for frames. But they're so expensive, yo. But I've been looking for like large frames like these for my living room. I'm happy I found them. Already expensive. I'm not buying them today, but I'll be looking. If you're looking for frames, like I'm a crazy store. This is cute. How? What did you? This one is also nice. It's more of my style. We got 2 games. We got this. We got this and this. I think it's enough. Oh, I love Crazy Store. So fun. And their things are cheap. Guys, just got back. I want to show you what I got. If you guys can see me. I just got back now. I went to Clicks, Crazy Store, then I went to Checkers. So at Clicks, I got these throat lollies because she cannot take the ones that we take. I'm hoping this will help her. And then I also got us these me and Tiamo Lemani. Hopefully it will help. I got us strepsils, soothing honey and lemon. Got these ones. And then, guys, all of my wigs are going through a lot. All of them. And I'm sure you guys have seen on the vlogs. All of them. So I decided that I'm going to watch this one that I'm wearing right now. And then I didn't have conditioner. I got conditioner. And I also bought this hair serum from Clicks. I saw someone raving about it on TikTok, so I want to try it out. But the conditioner that I use normally is this one. I trust this conditioner with my life when it comes to hair. And then I went to Crazy Store. I'm sure you guys saw which games I got. I got this one, Ludo, and then I got this one. These wooden, what do they call these guys? Well, is it a Jaeger? Not Jaeger. Here it's written large wooden towels, but I know they have a name. I got these ones. And then went to Checkers. Doing a grocery haul. I got bread. No, I went to Pep. Went to Pep. And then I got these cute snack bowls. I know they're small, but they're very cute. I love them. I got 2 of these. Love them. And then went to Checkers. I got bread. I got baby potatoes, snacks. Ooh, cool drink. More snacks. mayonnaise, sweet, bacon, the shredded one, the diced one, for my macaroni salad. And then I got these peppers, and then I got myself a bottle of wine while I cook. So yeah, that's all I got. Super excited for this. So excited. Risiko and her Jenna family are gonna come around 5, so we have time to rest, and then we can do my wig and then lay my wig for the weekend. So that's my plans right now. So guys, I got a call. I actually thought I had more wine in the fridge, but I just checked. I don't have wine. I only have one Benin Classic, which I'm gonna drink now. And then this one will wait for later, and then I'm probably gonna get another bottle. I'll see for them. Right now though, I do want to wash my wigs, and then we can relax a bit before they come. I have enough time because I asked them to come a bit later so that we can make it a games night. So they are going to come around 5, 6, we'll see. And then we can cook, be merry, and enjoy our Saturday, okay, with friends. Okay, I said I recommend friends. Please, have friends, please. My hair is clean. There's nothing like a fresh clean install, guys. I don't want to lie to you. It is fresh, it is clean, it's silky. Listen, I also realized when I hate this length. I need to cut it, at least I'll probably do it during the week because I hate it here. Because I don't know how to style it when it's like this. The only thing I can do is curl it like down so that but after a few hours it's gonna kill itself back. So yeah, when it's like this. So I need to cut this bob, at least again. But love it here. I'm going to change into a dress so that I'm comfortable and I can host properly. I'm waiting for them to arrive. Yeah, and then I ordered some things again from Checker 60 because I realized I was missing some stuff. So I ordered some stuff and then I'm gonna start cooking. But I love this hair. I love it here. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's so clean and so silky, and it's nice, you know. My wigs have been going through it for the longest time. Let's change and start cooking and wait for my guests.
Do
Hore. Make it kaitse and then I got
Superstar, on the shot, finish up. All I get, body clock. You want me on like Boulevard. Big shot, superstar, on the shot, finish up. Like two bottles of butter, but they said, don't cruise like I delicate. Jiggy, jiggy, heavy, heavy. All the girls love me, over like money, oh me. Jiggy, jiggy, heavy, heavy. All the guys love me.
Hi, show me. It's very loud, so the kids are very hungry. But I want to quickly show you what I made because I got fits happy all the way through. My guests arrived when I was cooking, but I forgot to make sauce for the potatoes. I grilled the potatoes and forgot to make the sauce for it, but the food is fine. Like, I feel like it's okay. Let me show you quickly what I made, and then the kids can stop complaining because they've been saying they're hungry. I made this pork. I made pork, this meat. I made the tuna, that macaroni I told you guys about. In here it's peppers and bacon and mayonnaise. And then I made salsa, and then I made potatoes. I was gonna make the potato sauce, the mushroom sauce, but guys, like, still it's because of time. But this is the food I made. Okay, we buy them at the store. I pass. Okay, you have to. So yes, come to me. No, you have to.
I know get time, anything when you do, them must commend it. So anything when you do, I did that to do my way. Plenty, so far we just to make your money. For my people, then go say, I know one fight, I know one die, I know one women, I want enjoy, I want jump, I want find motor, I want business, I still want to know. What's it go? You want go? All the Bentley, the gas, ride the boat, I know be, die for nothing. What's it go? You want go? All the Bentley, the gas, ride the boat, I know be. Different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, my court, I'm paddling. Shara Shinabella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen drinks. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Make I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shit, I'll be head of state. For my people, then go say, I know one fight, I know one die, I know one baby, I want enjoy.